Coach, congratulations on this win. Zeus Coffee gave you guys a really good fight, but what can you say about how the team performed against them?
Well, I think I remember not the last conference, reinforced conference, but the last all Filipino tour that we had. It was 5 sets already. It's always a tough match. I really respect them a lot. They have a good team and they improve a lot, so we know each other. But I'm super happy because our team really performed well, and of course you're going to deliver. We have to deliver much more than this, but we are on the way. I think for the first match is good.
Thank you, Coach. Bella, best player of the game with 26 points. Nung dulo lalo, ikaw yung halos nagsascore din talaga for Capital One. Ano lang ba yung tumatakbo sa isip mo ng time na yun?
Siguro po, inisip ko na lang kung paano pa ako makakapag-contribute pa sa team since may chance na kaming mapanalo yung game. So parang now or never na for us kasi pag pag hindi kami like nag-all out pa that set, meron pa silang chance makakuha sa amin. So yun lang inisip ko kung ano pa yung pwede kong gawin kasi yung teammates ko, ginagawa nila yung trabaho nila and kailangan ko rin gawin yung trabaho ko as a player.
Shaya, first game with the new team, ano lang din yung feeling being able to get this win with them?
Sobrang happy sa feeling kasi ang sarap ng pakiramdam na yun nga po, nakuha namin yung unang panalo. Ayun nga po, kita rin po yung effort ng bawat isa, lalo na po yung guidance ng coaches namin. And talagang nakikinig po bawat isa sa isa't isa.
Pero yun nga, marami rin bago sa team nyo. Ano lang pakiramdam, kamusta yung samahan nyo sa loob, yung transition nyo na paglalaro together with your new teammates?
Hindi po kami masyadong nahirapan kasi parang everyone naman is open to learn kung ano yung sistema ni Coach Jorge, kung ano yung dapat namin gawin as a team. And I'm very thankful din po sa mga ates, yan kanila Ate Shaya, na malaking help po sila sa team namin kasi syempre, senior na po sila sa paglalaro ng volleyball. So marami ako personally natututunan sa kanila and ayun, marami po silang nabibigay sa team na talagang kailangan ng team.
Sa iyo, Shaya, kamusta naman yung pag-team up nyo kay Labella, yung mga Capital One and under sa system din ni Coach Jorge?
Ayun nga po sabi ni Bella, hindi naman po siya sobrang mahirap outside the court. Sa inside the court naman, marami pa po kami kailangan trabahuhin, lalo na po yung connection sa bawat isa, libero to setter, setter to spiker, spiker to, alam mo yun, yung pag-iintindi din sa sistema ni Coach. And hindi naman po siya mahirap adjustan kasi open talaga si Coach, lalo na po pagka in-game, marami po siyang binibigay na instruction na talagang nakakatulong para sa team. And super happy talaga na nakuha and nagbunga talaga.
Coach, with the 8 new signings that you made, what were you really looking to improve or change with the team? That's why you got the likes of Gaston, Adorador, and the rest of those 8 new signings.
Yeah, we consider this competition as every game is a final. It's a final match. So what you really have to improve in all, but also since you have since you can make the established receive super steady, you can also activate our quicker. So having middle blockers, all those 6 you have are good spikers. So you can make this connection better. So it's going to be easy for the setters, and then of course it's going to be easy for us. Of course, you're going to help us to play all the competition against anyone. Stay in the receive pattern so that the setters you can develop the team better. So that's why we're trying to improve right now. And of course, make more jelly. Try to bond with the team all the time.
And Bella, kahit one game pa lang, parang gano'n ka-different yung first Capital One team mo nung reinforced sa current Capital One sa All Filipino. Parang ano yung pinaka so far evident na change na nakita?
Siguro ngayon, mas naging competitive yung team. Parang lahat talaga willing to learn, willing to make an effort para makapag-perform sa game and para makuha yung panalo.
Okay, paano mo nakikita yung sarili mo dito sa return roster na ito? Bali, ano yung nakikita mong role and paano mo siya gagamit in the next games?
Miss Universe na to. Siguro yung role ko naman sa player is kailangan ko yun, gampanan. Since hindi porket na bago ako sa team like rookie sa PBL, hindi dapat ako like mag-perform as a rookie. I mean, kung ano yung kaya kong gawin, kailangan kong gawin din. And nakikita ko rin yung team namin na malayo yung mararating. I mean, pag titingnan bawat player, parang yung composition ng team maganda talaga. Parang nako-complement namin yung bawat isa. So siguro yun, ako as a player, kailangan ko rin gampanan yung role ko.
Bella, every time na naglalaro ka ba, is there a part of you na kailangan mo patunayan na ako yung number one pick ng class of 2025?
Siguro hindi, kasi lagi ko lang mina-mindset is kailangan kong isurpass yung naging performance ko last conference. Ganun naman lagi, hindi ko naman kailangan improve. Like for me, kailangan ko lang patunayan sa sarili ko na kaya ko every conference na dapat nag-i-improve ako. So ayun.
Coach, just quick updates why Leila and Pia didn't play, why Jasmine Nabor didn't play
Yeah,
today.
it's a healthy problem. Okay, some of them are recovering and then preparing to be soon on the court. That's it. Saturday, everyone.
Thank you, Bella. Thank you,